today I'm going to harvest this row of potatoes. This is my early variety of potatoes. Those other two are my main crop, which will be harvested next year after Christmas. So it's November now, and yeah, these are the early varieties, so they're ready to be harvested. Yeah, I thought I'd just bring you guys along. But just a bit of a, just a bit of a confession. This was meant to be the roofed out method of planting potatoes, and that method is just to put the potatoes on top of the ground and then cover it with hay. But because this was my very first time doing it, what I actually did was I dug a hole in this row only, really. I dug a hole probably about about 2 or 3 centimeters, and then I put the potato in. And then by the time I got up there, then I realized, oh, the method was meant to be just to put the potato on top of the soil and not bury it. So yeah, so this row here, I actually dug a hole 2 to 3 centimeters, and I put the potato in, which is, probably only about that deep. Then I put the potato in and covered it. But the roof stout method is you only just meant to put it on top of the soil and just cover it with hay. But like I was saying, because previous I did do some potatoes in my beds, but I buried them. So when I did this one, I dug it on 2 centimeters. But yeah, it was too late. I already had dug it and I already had put it in. So, but these other 2 rows, I made sure I didn't bury it. I just stuck it on the soil and then I just covered it with hay. But anyway, yeah, I thought I'll let everybody know about that. So we're going to go through and harvest this lot out. But as I harvested, I think this lot here is already growing, because one of the potatoes grew on this side, which is a red coloured one. Yeah, I kind of had a quick look. But yeah, thought we'll go through and harvest. Okay, apologies everyone, I actually lost all the footage of me harvesting, removing all the hay to reveal all the potatoes. Yeah, so this is what they look like anyway. So these are all the potatoes that I've harvested. I've revealed underneath the removing all the hay. So yeah, that's it there. Yeah, so sorry about that. Yeah, lost the footage of me unveiling all our potatoes. But yeah, I put in 17 plants, and I think I got way more, probably double, triple the amount. I think this was the most. Look how big they are. Very big potatoes too. Good sized potatoes. All the way. Yeah, so I'll collect them all up into a basket or something. I had maybe 1 or 2, no, about 4 that was cracked, and I mean cracked like that. Probably 3 that was cracked like that, and then 1 that was rotten. Yeah, but that's easy enough to peel away and still use it. Yeah, very big potatoes. Few like that. Most of them are medium size like that. There was probably averaging more than 5 in each bunch. But probably 8, averaging about, yeah, 8, but more than 5 in each plant. Yeah, that's them there. And these red ones were the ones from those plants, so they're pretty much ready to harvest, but apparently you can't harvest them until after Christmas, so I'll leave it till then. So this is about mid-November now. Potatoes. There's another red one.